post and how to basically call it. So first of all, I need to give the URL. Understand, we are already running this URL, right? This entire local host. You see over here, everything is running over here, right? If you see this, okay, if you properly see this and try to see this entire URL, okay, you can directly see that in order to call these APIs, I will be using a URL that is already provided by this particular Swagger UI. That is nothing but, let's say I want to call the essay URL, okay. Now in order to call the essay URL, which is using the OpenAI API, here you can see HTTP localhost 8000 essay/input. So this is my entire API URL, which will be responsible in calling this. And here we also know that we need to input. So what I will do, I will go ahead and write over here as JSON is equal to, and in the form of JSON, I will give one of my input. So input colon, okay, and here I will write topic. Why topic? Because see, here what we are given over here, if you see over here, topic is there, right? Now this topic will be nothing but whatever input text I am giving to this particular function, that same input text will be visible over here. Okay? So this is what we have actually done over here, right? So input topic colon input underscore text. So this is what is the input I will give, and it will hit this particular URL along with this particular input post. Okay? And then finally I get my response. Now what I will do, I will go ahead and take this response, convert it to a JSON, and it has a key dictionary value pairs, where my output content will be present inside this variable called as output. And one more thing that I require is basically content. Okay. So inside this key, my entire response will be available. The next thing that I'm actually going to do is similar with the help of Olama response. And here we are going to use Lux. Okay, with it, right? And second thing, OpenAI response. Whatever response I'm getting, it will display it over here. If input text.
There's a new AI model in town. Chinese AI company DeepSeek recently made waves when it announced R1, an open source reasoning model that it claimed achieved comparable performance to OpenAI O1 at a fraction of the cost. The announcement unleashed a wave of social media panic and stock market chaos.
NVIDIA losing nearly $600 billion in market cap today alone. But
for those following AI developments closely, DeepSeek and R1 didn't come out of nowhere. The company has been publishing its research and releasing its model weights for months, following a path similar to Meta's Llama model. This is in contrast to other major AI labs like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic that have closed weights and published more limited technical reports. What's changed is just that now the broader public is actually paying attention. So, let's decode what the real developments here are, where they come from, and why they matter. First of all, it is important to distinguish between two relevant models here, DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek V3. DeepSeek V3, which was actually released this past December, is a general-purpose base model that achieves comparable performance to other base models like OpenAI's GPT-4o, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and Google's Gemini 1.5. DeepSeek R1, which was released at the end of January, is a reasoning model built on top of DeepSeek V3. In other words, DeepSeek takes V3 and apply various algorithmic improvements to it in order to optimize its reasoning ability, resulting in R1, a model that's achieved comparable performance to OpenAI's O1 and Google Flash 2.0.
women put on their perfume in an interesting way. I love watching them do that. You ever notice that, guys? When they have the Tijo, and like berries and places they think we're going. And they always hit this one. Women are convinced that this is the most action-packed area that could ever happen in the dating world. What is that, lady? What is happening here? Is that in case you slap the guy or something? He still finds you intriguing? Chanel.
She's a pianist, a classical pianist. She plays the piano. She's a brilliant woman. I sat in the living room. She played the Waldstein Sonata. The Waldstein. We did a crossword puzzle together in bed. It was the most fun I ever had in my entire life. You hear me? In my life. You know?
Were you talking? I couldn't hear anything.
I was telling you about Noel.
Oh, Noel! Yeah, the one that plays the bongos.
So side-splitting the foot.
All right, I'm sorry. What about her?
Is this okay? Can I do this? Something I said? It's John Mulligan.
Oh, John. Oh, hi, John. Hi.
What are you doing out here?
Oh, I was just at this recital, and Jerry put this Pez dispenser on my leg, and I just started laughing.
Oh, Jerry's in there.
Yeah,
I heard you guys broke up.
we did. We're just hanging out.
Really? Boy, you really look great.
Oh, thank you. Are you still friends with Richie Appel?
Oh, Richie, he's been doing comedy in LA for a couple of years. He just got back a month ago. He's kind of messed up on drugs.
Oh.
I don't know what to do for the guy.
You thought about an intervention?
What's that?